A very good morning to all the aspirants of NET-JRF, GATE, and all other competitive examinations who are there on our platform. So today we will be sharing a very special story of one of our student, Anuj Sharma. So he has done his Masters in Environmental Sciences from Kurukshetra University and B.SC Geology Honors from Ramjas College, DU. So he came to us for live online program and correspondence with video program for both NET-JRF in Environmental Sciences as well as GATE Environmental Science and Engineering. So he qualified NET-JRF in Environmental Sciences with a very good score, as well as GATE Environmental Science and Engineering in a very first attempt. And at present, he is pursuing his PhD at Guru Jambheshwar University, Hisar. So on this achievement, the entire team of A.S.S Science Foundation would like to congratulate our student Anuj Sharma. At present, the institute is offering various programs for M.SC pursuing student as well as PhD student and undergraduates. So the institute is offering NET-JRF Environmental Sciences December 2023 in offline center mode at our Delhi center and live online program, along with the correspondence with video and only correspondence program. For GATE, we have two programs, the GATE Ecology Evolution and GATE Environmental Science and Engineering 2024 for the GATE session. We are also offering the preparation for the various government examinations such as Central Pollution Control Board, State Pollution Control Board, Power Grid, etc. The institute is also offering the master training for the undergraduates who are from the life science domains such as biotech, life sciences, zoology, botany, environmental sciences. Special interview training being provided for the people who wish to do their PhD in USA or Europe. For that also, the expert faculties are doing mock interviews and proposal preparation